Fasting refines and strengthens you. Give it a try. Fasting is so enlightening. Trust me, you won't die. Fasting is so empowering. Say no to food for a while. No one should know you are fasting. Keep a bright smile. Yes, it's discipline, staying focused and hunger. It's the spirit versus the body. Show the body who's stronger. Fasting is not punishment. You're only denying yourself a food. Be happy and be joyful. Don't allow food to determine your mood. You may be fasting today, but your neighbor doesn't need to know. Just focus on the purpose. No need to make a show. Even though there's no food in your stomach, don't leave your mouth to be smelly. Brush your teeth and comb your hair. Don't think about your belly. 1 hour may seem long. It may even feel like one day. You said you wanted power. This is the price to pay. Fasting is not dieting. Don't worry about losing weight. Stay focused during this time. Keep your mind away from the plate. You are letting the spirit take over, and you are putting the body under. It's almost 6 o'clock. You can wait a little longer. You may feel hunger pains. You may even have a light head. Don't ruin this quality time because of a piece of bread. Fasting is not just about going without food. You should have specific goals. Fasting without prayer is like putting money in pockets with holes. Fasting helps us to focus. It's done individually. We do it for ourselves. Completion is a sign of maturity. It's not about how long, but how well. Don't worry about the time. Prepare your own schedule. Don't worry about mine. Some people put aside food. They do it with a smile. But fasting is not only about food. Put that thing you love aside for a while.